Welcome to this video on managing powdery mildew. We will explore a modern approach to plant hygiene to keep your garden healthy. Powdery mildew is a biological parasite that weakens growth, reduces flowering, and lowers the quality of your plants. It affects roses, vegetables, grapes, and many other plants. An outbreak is triggered by a combination of a stagnant environment, climate triggers like warm days and cool nights, and weak plant hygiene. Powdery mildew is not just a spray problem, it is a plant environment problem. The best results come from combining the right spray with better airflow and cleaner growing areas. Traditional treatments like neem oil, sulfur, or copper often require complicated handling. Most force you to choose between stressing your plants, ruining your soil, or dealing with harsh odors. Every traditional method carries a significant risk profile, especially when applied at the wrong time or during heat waves. Reading the label is mandatory. Home remedies like baking soda or vinegar sound simple, but they are rarely tested for plant safety, and an incorrect mix can easily damage your leaves. We are shifting from reactive chemical warfare to proactive plant hygiene. This means supporting cleaner plant surfaces from the start with simple spray-and-go maintenance. Introducing Grower's Choice Plant Guard 420. This specialized cleaner uses formulated potassium HOCl to manage microbial pressure and keep plant surfaces clean without turning your backyard into a hazard zone. This product supports maximum hygiene with zero friction. It is a simple spray-and-go solution that leaves no harsh residue and offers multi-use care for overall surface hygiene. Application involves a thorough coating of the tops and undersides of leaves, stems, new growth, and bud areas. Always apply during cooler parts of the day and avoid intense direct sunlight. Best results come from a unified, clean garden cycle. This includes spraying early, giving plants airflow, avoiding overhead watering, and cleaning up debris. Grower's Choice Plant Guard 420 is engineered for the most demanding plant environments. Healthy plants are easier to grow when you give them cleaner surfaces. Your plants need a plan, not panic. Combining a clean environment with clean surfaces leads to healthy, thriving plants. Plant Guard 420 makes consistent use simple and effective. Upgrade your plant care routine today. Stop fighting powdery mildew with harsh chemicals and start practicing modern plant hygiene. Visit growerschoiceplantguard.com for organic protection from seed to harvest.